Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you this design for the back of your blouse. So if you want to know how I made this, then keep on watching. So this is a paper where I'm going to draft my design of the blouse. So this will be the back side of the blouse. So I folded my paper in half like this. This is the folded side, and from here I'm going to start the marking. So the total length of my blouse will be 15 inches. So I'm going to take 1 inch extra. So I'll mark 16 inches, the total length from the top. I'm going to mark the shoulders from here. So I'm going to take 6.5. So I'll add half inches extra for the seam allowance. So I'll make it 7 here like this. And I'll come 7 inches down like so. Going to make a line here like this. Now the measurement of the chest will be marked here. So the measurement of my chest is 38. So 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5. So I'm going to mark 9.5 here like so. I'm going to take 1 inch from here, make a curve for the armhole like this. Now here I'm going to give a boat neck. So in my earlier video I told you how to make a boat neck. So I'm going to take the 2.5 shoulder. So for that I will mark 3 inches. Half inches I will take for the seam allowance. So I'm marking 3 inches here. And depth of the neckline I will give 2.5. So I'm going to take half inch extra, that makes 3. So I'm going to make 3 inches mark here. Now make a small block here. Now make a curve like this. Now take half inch down here, a point, and then join these 2 points. This will be our shoulder drop. So this is my total length of the blouse. So here I'm going to mark the measurement of my waistline. So the measurement of my waist is 34 inches. So 34 divided by 4, that is 8.5. So I'm going to mark 8.5 here like this, and I'll join these 2 points. I'll take 2 inches extra for the cutting. You can take 1.5 or 1 inches also. I'm taking little extra. So now from the bottom line I'm going to take 5 inches up, a point here like this, and here I'm going to make a straight line. Now from this point, from the neckline, I'm going to give a little bit of curve, and I will join these 2 points, this and this, and make a beautiful little curve here. Now this curve depends upon your choice, how wide you want to give this curve. If you want this curve to be a little bit wide, then you can extend this curve till here. Now I'm going to cut this out. Now cut this line, and I'm going to cut this fold also. So now I've got these 4 pieces like this. This is the back side of our blouse. Now I'm going to keep these pieces to the fabric, and then I will mark it, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now I just placed all the pieces to the fabric like this. Here you can see. Now I'm going to mark, and then I will cut this. So I just marked all the sides. Now I'm going to remove the pins. Now from this side and from this side, the bottom side, I'm going to give ½ inch extra for the stitching. And similarly, just give to the another side also. And this is the bottom side, the 2 bottom sides. So here also you have to give extra to the top side like so. Just give ½ inch extra, and to this side, the left hand side also, just ½ inch or ¼ inch. You don't have to give here and here. This will be the bottom side of our blouse, and this will be the side. So here at the side we have already given the extra fabric. So here I just placed my inner fabric to my main fabric. So this will be my main fabric, and I pinned it. Now I'm going to cut it out, all the pieces. So here my both the fabric is ready. So this is the astar that I'm going to give for the blouse, and this will be my main fabric, the outer fabric. So from the right side it will look like this. Now we are going to stitch this. So now I'm going to attach piping here at the bottom part. So this is the main fabric and this is the lining. So what we have to do is we will just fold this like so, and now I'm going to give a stitch here. So before that I'm going to place my piping here like so, like this, and then I will place my main fabric here, and now I'm going to give a stitch here. I just pinned it. So this is my lining and this is the main fabric. I just placed this piping inside this, and now I'm going to give a stitch from one side. So I just joined both the pieces together with the piping. Now when we will turn this, our piping will come like this. So this is the bottom part. Now I'm going to give a top stitch here. Similarly the other one also, like this. So I just gave the top stitch to both the pieces. Now we are going to attach both the pieces together from here. So what you have to do is take the right side of both the pieces and then place the piping inside here, like right side of this part, and then place your piping here like this, and then take the another piece and place it like this, and then give a stitch here. So if you are a beginner, then I will recommend you to attach both the pieces with a rough stitch so that it will be easy for you. So I'm going to give a rough stitch here to join both the pieces, the lining and the main fabric together. So I just give the stitch here and both the pieces are joined, and from the right side it's looking like this. Now I'm going to give a top stitch here. So my blouse is looking like this now. Now we are going to complete the neckline. So here I have got the piping. Now I'm going to attach my piping to my neckline. So if you want to know how to make this type of cord piping, then you can go and check out my previous. So I will leave the link in the description box below. You can go and check it out. So now I'm going to attach this to the neckline. So I just made this line so that it will be easy for me to follow. So I'm just going to place my piping on this line, and then I'm going to give a stitch here just on the edges of the piping, and then I'll go like this and then straight down till the bottom part of. So now I'm going to give top stitch here. And the moment when you come down, just take this excess fabric and fold it inside like this, and then give a stitch like so. So my piping is attached to the neckline and then to the sides of the blouse also. Now this is looking like this. Now we are going to attach these small little buttons that I prepared for this. So I'm going to place this inside. We are going to attach these buttons to this area. so the left side of the blouse. So I'm going to place it here like this. So I'll take a needle and thread, and then I'm going to place it here just below the piping, and then with the help of needle and thread I'm going to attach this. From the back side it will look like this. Now you just have to attach all the buttons like this only. So here you can see I have attached all the buttons here and it is looking like this. Now just take a piece of fabric and then place it here, and then place your both the pieces like this. So first we are going to attach this to this strip. So just fold it from here and then give a stitch here. Start your stitch from here and give it here till down. And then we will take this piece also and we will place it here like this, taking care of both the pipings. They should not overlap each other, and this line should also match. And then we will attach this piece also to the strip. So we will start our stitch from here again and we will attach this to the strip. So like this our both the pieces will be attached to this strip. Here you can see this piece is attached to the strip. It's looking like this. Now we will take the another piece also and we will place it like this, and now I'm going to give a stitch here. So here you can see I just attached both the pieces to the strip. Now this is also complete. Now what you have to do is just take a piece of dory and you can attach it here with the help of needle and thread, and then take a beautiful designer button and sew it here. So here I just attached this button, and like this our blouse is complete. This is the back side of the blouse. So I hope this video will be useful for you and you liked it, and if you liked it then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.